Okay, this video shows the latest update on my Marantz receiver problem where I am not receiving stereo FM. This is my Marantz 2275. This is the unit with the problem. And what I'm doing right now is I've got another receiver which is a Marantz 2230, and that one works fine. So what I did is I tapped into that receiver just prior to the FM multiplex board, and I'm running a cable, coax cable, over to the 2275, and that coax cable goes into the P300 board, which is the FM multiplex board, right at the main input. And what I discovered is that when I turn on both machines and I tune into, so I'm tuning in on this 2230 here, and I've tuned to the strongest station basically I can get out here. Then when I go over to my 2275, you can see that it is not playing stereo. The stereo light should be here. Okay, so no matter what I try, it doesn't fix it. So I can fiddle with the FM muting, the mono buttons, nothing works. However, I discovered this very strange thing, that if I take my LED flashlight, which is this Energizer flashlight, and I put that near the stereo light, all of a sudden the unit starts playing in stereo. Now you gotta wait a second here usually, but let's see, no stereo light yet. There it goes. Okay, so now I'm getting a stereo light. I also noticed that if I put the flashlight anywhere near the FM front end, I get stereo. If I move it over here, I get nothing. Sometimes I can get it to trigger out here, but usually it's only when I put it right over the stereo lamp or over the front end. And I also noticed that as soon as I turn off the flashlight, you'll notice here, turn off the flashlight, the stereo light goes off. So there, the light's on. I turn off the light, the effect stops. I also noticed that if I remove the shield on the FM front end, that the effect seems to be just a little stronger and more reliable. So this is totally weird, because for one thing is that this circuitry, like the FM front end, for example, should be taken out of the equation now, because don't forget, I am tapping in from the 2230. I'm using the entire front end on my 2230 to feed into the final board in the chain, which is the multiplex board. So I don't really know how this could possibly be coming into the picture. Secondly, I sure wish I knew why a flashlight is triggering my stereo light to go. So it's not just a stereo light, but it also correctly plays in stereo. So that's it. Without my flashlight, I can't get FM stereo. And I'm still trying to figure this thing out. That's it. Thank you.